Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walmart website. First, let's get you started with creating an account or signing in. This allows for a personalized experience, saving your preferences and past orders. Next, we will explore the powerful search bar and various categories to find exactly what you need. Finally, I will show you how to easily add items to your shopping cart and adjust quantities before moving forward. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Now that you are familiar with the basics, let's dive into finding the best products and deals. The website offers robust filtering options, allowing you to narrow down your search by brand, price range, and even customer ratings. Don't forget to check the weekly ads and clearance sections. You can often find incredible savings there. Always take a moment to compare product specifications and read customer reviews to make informed decisions. Once you have filled your cart with everything you need, it's time to check out. Walmart.com provides several convenient delivery options, including in-store pickup and home shipping. You can securely enter your payment information, choosing from various methods like credit cards or gift cards. Always take a moment to carefully review all your order details, including the items and shipping address, before finalizing your purchase. After your purchase, managing your account and orders is simple. You can easily track the status of your current orders and review your complete purchase history at any time. The website also allows you to update your personal information, shipping addresses, and payment methods with just a few clicks. Should you have any questions or encounter an issue, customer service is readily available to provide assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.